Hello, welcome to another Cyberpunk 2077 video walkthrough. We are getting well along in our Phantom Liberty main story. The gig in front of us is the Killing Moon, and we need to first meet with Songbird. I guess she's hiding in this van. We'll get in the van, in the back of the van.
Fuck. You look pretty,
The senses are going. Seeing dark spots. It's hard to breathe.
Wanna help? Tell me how.
What the hell took so long?
What's it matter? So, what now?
Let's roll.
Seems you got a plan after all. To help us both.
I do. And it relies heavily, if not wholly, on you. Black Clinic, remember? It's on Luna. Got a flight all lined up to get me there.
Wow. Quite the coup.
Kushmu, it's my last resort. In all likelihood, I'll serve as their lab rat once there. AI's within the neural matrix. They're going to extract it, create a prototype cure for us. I'll contact you as soon as they're ready for us both. I promise.
Oh, don't love the idea. Smells risky as hell. For us both.
Well, any risk-free options are way out of reach by now. So, spaceflight means spaceport. NCX. It's where we're heading. Now, I can't just stride in. I draw attention from who knows who in my condition. So you'll stride in. Then head to the Tycho terminal. Find a side door to open for me.
What about spaceport security?
Tycho terminal's being renovated. So not many bodies. Lots of cover. Also minimal security, probably. Can't ignore that factor.
Think you have the strength to net run?
Full-on net running. Maybe via your personal. All this shit's too much. Damn, V. I've wronged so many. Hurt so many. Can't help wondering if it's even avoidable. You know? Hurting others.
Sometimes, you just gotta do your damnedest not to hurt the one soul you care most deeply about. Might cost you. Might cost you plain crazy heaps.
Booster V!
Relax.
Read.
All good.
V.
Yeah?
I don't want to die. Can't help but regret. I just... Help me. Ditch this town.
Meds are kicking in. You're all right.
We shouldn't linger. Grab the wheel. Could you?
Try and rest up.
Dream. 'Cause you like. 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 'Cause you
Pretty straightforward. I'm sure there's room for a double cross somewhere along the way. Rumor has it that Reed kicks in again. Nice van though. Will drive nicely in it. I'm not sure what's going on down there with one of my weapon systems. We're driving along. Let's take a look. Still have it.
Steel yourself. We'll be pulling in.
Thinking back to that first contact you made. We've come a long way.
I haven't quite reached this end yet. Obviously, you can't be packing when you go in. Standard spaceport security. Leave your iron with me. I'll have it when we meet up again.
Oh, fuck. Flashback coming in hard. Compeki Plaza heist.
Banish that shit. You're better than you were. Armed or not, you'll manage. So again, Tycho Terminal. Get there unnoticed by anyone who matters. Eyes peeled for orbital air guards especially. We can't know what they'll be watching for.
Join up soon.
Hey V.
So we'll leave this video here. And we'll head to the gate as a new video. Thanks for watching.